Audi S3 Fanatic fans, it's Peter, your Audi S3 Fanatic, coming at you with another DIY for this wonderful Saturday morning. So today I want you guys to take a guess as to what we're going to do. I'll give you a little hint. The product that I'm going to be doing a DIY and an install on is taller than me, and it's made of carbon fiber. So take a guess. If you guys thought possibly it's a spoiler, you're a little off. Here is what we're doing today. Again, all about the carbon fiber life. We're going to go ahead and put a front lip on my S3. Now, this is something that I have wanted to do for a very long time, and I hesitated a little bit due from some feedback that I had received from some individuals who have owned this type of lip. For one, I'm going to end up scraping quite a bit, so that made me kind of delay my decisions. But recently I've been on a cosmetic kick with the S3, so I thought, why not? Let's go ahead and plop down for the S3's front carbon fiber lip. So let's go ahead and kind of take a look at this here. I'll show you guys, if you can see, pretty nice quality. This lip here I bought from Win Autosport. Lucky that I am living in Orange County, because Win Autosport is located in Santa Ana, and they provided me the lip, of course on my dollar, and I'll be putting it on the S3 today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this cosmetic DIY. Now, in preparation for the install underneath the vehicle, you guys are probably going to laugh at this, but what I ended up doing is I used some duct tape and put it on the underside of the lip. Now, this lip is over $400 and it's pure carbon fiber. Last thing I want to do is damage it by scuffing it up underneath. So I'll do what I can to kind of protect it. Again, I use some duct tape and I put it about 1/4 of an inch from the edge, so you can't even see it. The only way you're really going to know it's there is if you actually get underneath the car and to take a look. But I'll show you in just a moment here. So let's go ahead and move it a little closer here. And as you can tell, I have essentially wrapped it in duct tape. And you'll also notice that I have pre-drilled the holes. So the last thing that you want to do is try to drill the holes while you're underneath the car and holding the lip. So it's a little difficult. Pre-drill it, makes your life a whole lot easier, and it's up to you if you want to go ahead and wrap it with duct tape. Again, call me OCD if you want. Wouldn't be the very first. I'm totally okay with that. But I went ahead and duct taped the bottom, so that way if I do end up scuffing something, it'll minimize the damage to the carbon fiber weave. Okay guys, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to, for this specific lip, you have to remove the silver trim here. Now, there is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little clips that you actually have to loosen. And I think the best way to do it is there are holes underneath the clip that actually mount to the bumper, and as you can tell, it is just it's beefed up really bad under here. But what you want to do is you want to take your flathead and you want to push up on it, and what it does is, and I'll try to explain it as best as I can with my hand. This is the bumper, and this is the chin lip here that actually goes in, and what you're trying to do is you want to push up on it so it disengages from the little chin. That way you can pull it out. Once you've got that done, all I did was I used a larger flathead and I just sat it in between the chin as well as the little bumper and just slightly turned just a little bit each time, and just be careful. And then what happens is you're able to remove the chin spoiler. So that's going to be the first part to remove. The next thing that you want to do, now that you've got the chin off, you can go ahead and take your new carbon fiber lip, and it is actually going to go right in here. So all you're going to do at this point, you're going to match it up evenly and just kind of press on in. First hole is drilled through, and you want to make sure that it's really nice and flush, and you want to push it back as far as you can. Okay, so the chin portion is securely mounted in. From here, I'll just go ahead and make my way out. Now we're working on the outside screw, and it's best to have a second hand to actually push up on the lip and in, because it's going to bow out. Thank goodness the outer portion of this lip is a little pliable. So what you'll do here, you'll push up and then in a little bit, and just have your helper hold it in as best as they can. And then I'm going to go ahead and drill it in here. All right, we're going to go ahead and get this bolt on quickly. All right, then if you let go of it, that should hold it pretty secure. We'll do the same thing on the passenger side, and then what I'll do, I'll come back and work on in. All right, so we have crisscrossed the bolts on the install, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up with my final bolt right here. Now once again, some of you guys may make fun of me putting some duct tape on the very bottom, but in all honesty, I think it looks pretty good underneath here, because it definitely protects the bottom of the carbon fiber lip. But it's all buttoned up really nicely. We're going to go ahead and lower the car, and I'll show you some final pictures. Now that we have the carbon fiber lip installed, I just wanted to give you guys my final review on the product. The carbon fiber weaving on the lip looks fantastic. It matches my mirrors. It also matches my rear diffuser, and even a couple of the carbon fiber bits that I have inside my car. So I'm very happy with how it looks. Fitment wise, this specific copy from Win Autosport fits perfect. There just required a little moving of the side component to get it to fit, and in all honesty, I think that's also plays into factor with the vehicle as well, but fitment, it looks spot on. What I am unhappy with, and it's really a first world problem, because my car is lowered, because I have a little degrade or decline, I should say, in my driveway. I unfortunately have already scraped the front lip a good inch and a half, and I'm not very happy with it. The duct tape that I had put underneath it scraped it pretty well, and I'm for sure that took some of the abuse. But it's all underneath, you can't really see it at all, which again, I'm okay with, but having a lowered car and having carbon fiber front lip at this point, I'm kind of at a loss because I love how it looks, and I know this is not going to be the very last time I scrape that lip. So I will warn you guys ahead of time. Most likely you're going to end up damaging that carbon fiber lip. But cosmetically, it makes up for it. It definitely looks very good. Just wanted to go ahead and thank you guys for watching another the Audi S3 DIY. I appreciate all of your support. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below, like it, and feel free to share it. This is Peter. Until the next time, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Take care, my friends.